Hi, happy St. Patrick's Day. This is Sharon from IBD Journeys, and many thanks to Chris Rodriguez for kicking off our YouTube channel. The purpose of the YouTube channel is not only for Chris and I to upload our videos. This is a place for everyone to share your story and another way to connect and inspire each other. It would be great if you can utilize the YouTube channel and make your own little shout out and tell us who you are, where you're from, what's your journey, maybe even include topics on IBD. That would be awesome. My journey, my name is Sharon. I'm from New Jersey. I have had ulcerative colitis. I was diagnosed with ulcerative colitis 23 long years ago. And currently, as most of you know, I'm having a lot of problems with small bowel obstructions due to concrete adhesions. That's my journey thus far. Please feel free to upload your journey because I'm really looking forward to seeing that. And if I can do this, I'm one of the most shyest people I've ever met in my life, then you can do it too. Don't forget, it's another way to connect, share, and inspire.